Hi everyone, it's just Josh here from Turbo Packs Newcastle. I'm just doing a quick video on this Jaguar F Pace, what we currently have in at the minute. This is a 2016 model. The vehicle has recently just went out of manufacturer's warranty, so the customers brought it to us for a more cost-effective way of repairing the vehicle. I've removed the turbocharger as this was the suspected issue. Been able to confirm that the thrust bearing has failed inside the turbo. We will be replacing the turbo for a genuine unit. We'll also be carrying out a major service and hydroflow treatment.